Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture watermark on the second page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert picture watermark only from the second page. Go to the second page. Then click right button on our mouse and select Insert section. Then go to the next page and applying the same process. Then go back the second page, then go to the view menu and select the master pages option. Then go to the insert menu, click picture option, then choose picture from our file and insert it. Now we can see we insert a picture, then resize the picture some small. Then go to the shape format menu, click picture section and increase the transparency. Then click OK. Then go back the master pages menu, click close master page. Now we want to insert picture watermark only from the second page. Click the first page, click right button on our mouse, go to the master pages menu, select none. Then go to the last section and press shift on our keyboard to select this multiple page. Click right button on our mouse and go to the master pages section, select none. Then check the all page and we can see we insert watermark picture only from the second page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for